Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today let me show you how to assign permissions to team members in Gusto. Now, do you want to give your team members access to Gusto, but only to what they need? Let's walk through how to assign specific permissions to users. Step 1, navigate to settings. Now, from your Gusto dashboard, you want to click settings and then go to the team members under the company section. Step 2, select the team member. Now find the person that you want to update, click their names to open up their profile. Step 3, edit roles and permissions. Now that you have their profile opened up, scroll down to the permissions section, click edit to choose what they can access. Gusto offers roles like full admin, limited admin, manager access, and employee access. Step 4, save changes. Now once you've selected the right level of access, just hit save. Changes take effect immediately and the team member will be notified if applicable. And that's how you control who sees what in Gusto, easy and secure. And that's pretty much it for this video. Hope you guys liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I'll see you guys in the next one.